Good morning. I'm here with my Lexus GX 2009 470. Having a little sound problem here. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but let me pop the hood here real quick. Alright, so the compressor's off because I don't have the AC or the heater on, and it's making that squeaking sound. So for those that are mechanically inclined, can somebody tell me what that sound is coming from? An expert will automatically know what that sound is. Please hit me in the comment sections and tell me what it is if you know. Alrighty, again, this is a GX 2009 Lexus. And those who are following me know I upgraded the suspension system. And yeah, I'm trying to take care of the little stuff. And right now that sound is bothering me. Again, those experts out there mechanically inclined, hit me up in the comment section and tell me what it is. Thank you.